Good morning, sir.
Before I proceed, let me tell you all of you that while you are speaking, while there is noise in your surrounding, you mute yourself or I will mute you. And even if you continue to do some untoward activity, I will remove you from the meeting. Okay? So today we will discuss the question and answer. Okay? We will discuss the question and answer. Oh, I am muting all of you and let's discuss the question and answer. Keep your video switch on, everybody. Ansika, if you are here, please raise your hand. Ansika, if you are here, or Om Sarkar, if you are here, please raise your hand. Om Sarkar, if you are here, please raise your hand. Om Sarkar. Okay, Om Sarkar is not here. Let me see some other student.
सर
Hmm.
सर हमको स्नैप होमवर्क पे नाम बदलना है जो जूम मीटिंग पे दिखाता है आलोक कुमार सिंह उसको बदल तो क्या करे सर इसको बदलने के लिए
बाद में संपर्क करना बता देंगे ठीक है और कोई
सर
Lakshmi Sharma, I have also unmuted you. Okay, Lakshmi Sharma has also been unmuted. Okay, I have unmuted two students. Now we will discuss the question answer. Okay, now we will discuss the question answer of chapter observing the sky. Okay, so Lakshmi, I have unmuted two students. One is Ansika, another I have unmuted the Lakshmi Sharma. Sakshi, you want to say something? Sakshi, you want to say something? Sakshi,
Yes, sir.
you want to say something? Tell me. Tell me. बोलो क्या बोलना है बोलो
म्यूट है
नहीं बोलना है तो ठीक है रहने दो चलो लेट्स स्टार्ट आवर क्लास ओके okay so we will discuss all the question and answer okay so here अंशिका बहुत आवाज आ जाता है एडमिट we will discuss the question two why do we usually not see the star during the day the first question is why do we see the star during the day okay why do we see the star during the day this is our question okay Om Sarkar unmute yourself
Yes,
so
sir.
I have unmuted you okay I have unmuted you the first question is okay first question is this is chapter 12 it is name of chapter observing a sky observing a sky right this is observing a sky observing a sky this is our chapter okay now come to the question what is the first question read Om Sarkar you read the first question
सर मेरे पास अभी बुक नहीं है
D1 why do we usually not see the star during the day it is D1 question D1. Okay, it is D1. Why do you usually do not see the star during the day? Okay, why do we not see the star during the day? Why do we not see the star during day? Okay, why do we not see the star during day? What will be its answer? Anybody of you, if you wish to answer the question, you can raise your hand. Ansika, tell me. Ansika, unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
Tell me. देखो अंशिका का,
Because
हाँ अभी अंशिका का चेहरा भी नहीं दिख रहा है, ठीक है। इसका कारण क्या है? क्योंकि उसके चेहरे पर लाइट पड़ रहा है। हर फेस इज डोमिनेटेड बाय द लाइट। ओके, चलो अंशिका, कंटिन्यू योर आंसर। व्हाई स्टार कैन नॉट बी सीन?
because the sun brightness, the stars are not seen in the during time.
Okay, okay. Now Ansika, you mute yourself. Now Sakshi, you tell me. Sakshi.
Are not visible during daytime due to sun
Okay.
brightness.
Okay, Sakshi, mute yourself. Now Harsh Kumar, you tell me. Harsh Kumar.
The sun denominates the daytime.
It is not
The
denominate,
sun
it is
denominates
dominate.
the daytime.
Okay,
Yes,
very
sir.
good, very good, very good. Avantika, unmute yourself. Avantika.
Yes, sir. Stars are not seen in the sky during daytime due to sun brightness.
Okay, thank you. Riya Jha.
So, because of sun brightness, the stars can't be seen during the daytime.
Okay, okay. During the, मतलब जो स्टार होते हैं, स्टार आर नॉट सीन during the day because due to the brightness of the sun. Okay, then anybody else, if you want to answer the question, you can raise your hands. And after, okay, so let's take it down. We will take it down. Means answer. What will be it answer? The stars are present in the sky. Stars are present in the sky. Be quiet. Don't disturb the class, else I will remove you. Harsh Kumar, you are talking, but they are not visible during day. During day because their presence their their presence is dominated by the bright light of sun. Okay, this is the answer. I hope you have understood it. So we have the next question. I hope all of you have understood it. Next question, in which part of the sky we are likely to find? And second question D2, in which part of the sky 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 we are likely to find Venus? We are likely to find Venus. We are likely to find Venus when it is visible as an evening star. When it is visible as a evening star. Okay, when it is visible as a evening star. So if you wish to answer the question, you can raise your hand. If you wish to answer the question, you will raise your hand. So if you wish to answer the question, you will raise your hand. I have unmuted Sakshi, Harsh, and Ansika. One by one you will speak. Wait, I will tell the name of those students, then you will see. Harsh, first of all, Harsh, tell me. Harsh, Harsh, tell me.
Venus are seen very near the sun.
बताओ.
Venus are seen very low near the horizon in the sky.
Okay, next, Sakshi, you tell me.
Sir, Venus
सर आवाज
is
नहीं आ रहा है.
near the horizon in the sky.
Near the horizon in the sky. Okay, Ansika, you tell me.
Venus are near in the horizon in the sky.
Okay, Venus appear in the horizon in the sky. Chalo, or anybody else if you want to answer? Anybody else if you want to answer? Om Sarkar. Om Sarkar, unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
In which direction you will find the Venus as an evening star?
Sir, Venus is likely to be appear in the horizon of the sky.
Okay, Avantika. Avantika.
Yes, sir.
In which direction of a sky you will find the Venus as an evening star?
Sir, in the horizon near the sky.
In the horizon, where is horizon in the sky? Divya Bharti. Divya Bharti. Divya Bharti. Reshu, you have given the answer. I have seen it, but it is wrong. Lakshmi Sharma. Lakshmi Sharma. Lakshmi Sharma. Anybody else? Anybody else? Reshu. Reshu. Reshu Kumar, unmute yourself. Chalo, next. Come to the answer. Aniket Kumar, you can see him. Aniket Kumar को थोड़ा देख लो क्या कर रहा है. Let's see. The answer of this will be. Answer of this. We can find Venus as an evening star in the west part of the sky, right? This is the question. Now we have the question day 3. Now we have the question day 3. State the cause of apparent motion of sun from east to west. The next question is state cause of apparent motion of sun from east to west in sky. Okay, so this is the question, and चलो देखो. What is the reason of the apparent? Sakshi, tell me. Sakshi.
आंसर पता है.
बताओ.
The inclination of the sun for us is because the rotation of the earth
Okay. Next. Ansika, unmute yourself. Ansika, unmute yourself.
अरे सर अभी बात कर रहे हैं।
Ansika, unmute yourself.
सर
बताओ,
कर दिए।
बोलो।
This apparent motion of the sun from us is because of the rotation of the earth on its axis from west to east.
Once again.
This apparent motion of the sun for us because of the rotation of the earth on its axis from west to east.
No, this is not correct answer. Rishu Kumar, unmute yourself. Next, Rishu, mute yourself. Avantika, unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
बताओ, what is the cause of the apparent motion? Option from east to west.
सर apparent का मतलब
Appear होना, ऐसा लगना, ठीक है, ऐसा लगना। दिव्या भारती, unmute yourself. आजकल तुम बोल नहीं रही हो, you are less participative in the class. What is the reason? I want to know. दिव्या, unmute yourself. सामने आओ, स्क्रीन पर आओ। आजकल तुम जवाब नहीं देती हो भाई।
काम चल रहे थे।
हाँ, जवाब आजकल तुम नहीं देती हो, बोलती भी नहीं हो, क्लास में तुम दिखती नहीं हो। हाँ, चलो नेक्स्ट, बोलो इसका जवाब आता है क्या? नहीं आता है। Let's see it answer. Okay, what happened? It answer is that, see here, this is earth. Okay, you can see this is earth. Okay, and when this is the earth, you can see here on earth, this is God, this is called pole. Okay, what is this? This is pole. Okay, now earth rotate on its pole. Okay, you can see earth rotate on its pole, right? It rotates on its pole, right? So while earth rotate on its pole, this part is called, this is called north hemisphere. What it is called? This is called north hemisphere. What it is called? North pole. This is called north pole, not hemisphere. This is north pole. And what this is called? This is called south pole. Okay, what this is called? This is called south pole, right? This is north pole and this is south pole. Okay, now earth is rotating on its axis. This is the axis, you see here, this is the axis. Okay, this is the axis. Earth is rotating on its axis, right? This is also axis. Now earth is rotating on its axis. Okay, earth is rotating on its axis. Okay, you can feel it that earth is rotating on the axis. Wait, I'm showing you. मैं इसको दिखाता हूँ, ठीक है। ये देखो इस तरीके से ये ऐसे घूम रहा है, पर ऐसे नहीं घूमता है। अर्थ ऐसे नहीं घूमता है, ठीक है। अर्थ ऐसे नहीं घूम रहा है, ठीक है। अर्थ कैसे घूम रहा है? इसी का उल्टा, ठीक है। इसका उल्टा अर्थ कैसे घूमता है? अर्थ उस तरीके से, यहाँ पर ऑप्शन अवेलेबल नहीं है रोटेट करने के लिए, ठीक है। तो हम यहाँ पर घुमा कर दिखा देते, ठीक है। साक्षी, व्हाट आर यू डूइंग? यू आर टॉकिंग, अरे पढ़ रही हो तो पढ़ाई किया करो ना, पढ़ भी रही हो घर में बात भी कर रही हो, कौन सा तरीका है? ठीक है, तो अर्थ इज रोटेटिंग फ्रॉम ईस्ट टू वेस्ट। ठीक है, तो इधर का डायरेक्शन देखो कौन सा है, ऊपर में कौन सा डायरेक्शन हो जाएगा, ऊपर का डायरेक्शन ये हो जाता है, सॉरी ये ऐसे होता है, डायरेक्शन को हम ऐसे डिनोट करते हैं। ठीक है, दिस इज द डायरेक्शन, दिस इज द डायरेक्शन। ओके, तो ऊपर में कौन सा डायरेक्शन होता है, नॉर्थ, और नीचे में कौन सा डायरेक्शन है, नीचे में होता है ऐसे साउथ। ओके, ईस्ट वेस्ट। So you can see this is north, this is north, north, right? Earth rotate from east to west. Earth rotate from east to west, not from north to south. This is the rotation. This is the rotation of the earth. You can see the way I am rotating it. Okay, so how it is rotating? Oh, this is the rotation which I'm showing you. Okay, this is which I'm showing you. This is okay, this is from rotating from north to south. This is rotation of north to south. This is not the rotation of the earth. This is not the actual rotation of the earth. The actual rotation of earth is east to west to east. Okay, the rotation of earth is west to east. Okay, so rotation of earth is from this side. From this side earth is rotating. Okay, so this is the reason. This is the reason of the apparent movement. So what will be its answer? Its answer will be earth rotate on its axis. Earth rotate on its axis. Which one is the axis? You can see here I am denoting the axis. This is the axis. This is axis. This is one axis, south axis, and this is north axis. This is called north pole. Earth is rotating on its axis, right? So earth is rotating on its axis, right? Earth is rotating on its axis from which direction? West to east, and it appears to be moving, hence it appeared to be moving, hence it appeared to be moving from east to hence not it नहीं लिखेंगे, hence sun appears to be moving from east to west in the sky. I hope you got it. Any problem? सभी को समझ में आ गया होगा, ठीक है? तो let me remove it. Okay, I hope you have understood it. Oh, I hope so. Come to the next question. What is the next question? The next state that we have seen. Name the special star in the north hemisphere. Why it has been useful for the travelers. Name the special star. Next question is question D4. Question D4. Question. Name the special star present in the name the special star in the northern hemisphere. Name the special star present in northern hemisphere and why it has been useful. Name the special star present in the northern hemisphere. How it has been useful to travelers. How it has been useful. Now see, what the question is, anybody can answer? If you wish to answer, you can raise your hand. You can raise your hand. I have unmuted all of you, those who have raised their hand. Okay, I have unmuted all those who have raised.
Sir, pole star.
Wait, wait one.
Sir, pole star.
Pole star. Okay, tell everybody, all of you.
Sir, pole star called
Pole
star.
Dhruv Tara is
One, one by one.
Star.
One by one, one by one. First of all, Sakshi will speak. First, Sakshi will speak. Sakshi will speak first.
Sir, polar star.
Pole
Sir,
star.
polar star or Dhruv Tara is pole star or Dhruv Tara is the special star present in the northern hemisphere. This star, unlike other stars, it defines north direction.
Okay, it's defined the north direction. Avantika, start your video also. Avantika. Avantika.
Yes, sir.
Which star? Which star? Tell me.
Pole star or
Okay.
Dhruv Tara is
Very good. Very good. Shivank of 5D. Shivank. Shivank. हाँ बोलो.
Sir, the pole star Dhruv Tara is the special star that indicates
Okay.
west direction, north direction.
Okay. Anybody else who wishes to answer?
Sir,
Yeah.
me.
Raise your hand. Tell me, Ansika. Tell me.
A special star of the northern hemisphere. It is useful for travels because it defines the North Pole.
Okay, very good. Now, muted everybody. Now let's see the man. I can see most of you have answered in the chat mode, and these are the chat mode students. Those who have answered the chat mode. It is Rishu Kumar. Night part of sky. We know from Priya. ऋषु सर साउंड नहीं आ रहा है आपकी, सर अनम्यूट नहीं हो रहा है, आवाज आपकी भी नहीं आ रही है. चलो ठीक है, तुम्हारा प्रॉब्लम होगा. यस राज सिन्हा पोल स्टार करेक्ट आंसर. श्रेया कुमारी पोल स्टार करेक्ट आंसर. ओके, so now let's come to the answer part. Okay, what will be the answer? Its answer will be, let's understood why we call it. See here, you can see let's see. Okay. See, this is a sky. Listen, students. You see what is this? This is a sky. Okay. This is a sky. Okay. समझा देते हैं कि क्यों उसको कहते हैं. This is a sky which you can see here. Yes, ये अर्थ है और अर्थ यूनिवर्स में है, इसलिए ये ब्लैक अपीयर है. The appearance of earth is black. Okay. You see here, स्टार तो हर जगह पर होगा. ठीक है, देखो स्टार यहाँ भी होगा, यहाँ भी होगा, यहाँ भी होगा, यहाँ भी होगा, हर जगह स्टार होगा. ठीक है, ट्विंकल ट्विंकल लिटिल स्टार. और यहाँ पर हम एक पोल भी ड्रा कर देते हैं, नॉर्थ पोल. दिस इज अ पोल. ओके, दिस इज पोल, राइट. तो दिस इज पोल. ऊपर वाला इसको हम लोग कौन सा पोल कहेंगे? दिस इज नॉर्थ पोल. ओके, व्हाट इज दिस? This is North Pole. and at the bottom, this is South Pole. Okay, this is South Pole. Okay, and what is hemisphere? Half part of the earth. You see here, यहाँ देखो ऐसे हम कर दिए, ठीक है, ऐसे कर दिए, तो ये पार्ट जो हो गया इसको हम कौन सा हेमिस्फीयर कहेंगे? व्हाट वी कॉल इट? What we will call it? This part will be called as southern hemisphere. This part will be called as southern hemisphere. Okay, this part will be called as southern hemisphere. Okay, तो क्या कहेंगे? southern hemisphere. और ऊपर वाला पार्ट देखो जिसको हम ब्लू से दिखा रहे हैं, ये वाला, ठीक है, इसको हम लोग कहेंगे नॉर्दर्न हेमिस्फीयर. हेमी का मतलब हाफ, ठीक है, हेमी का मतलब हाफ, ठीक है. Half part of the earth which lies towards the south pole, it is called southern hemisphere. ठीक है, इसको हम लोग क्या कहें? southern hemisphere कहें. southern hemisphere, it is called southern hemisphere, right? और ऊपर वाले पार्ट को हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं? इसको कहते हैं northern hemisphere. What it is called? northern hemisphere. northern hemisphere. ठीक है, how we define it? We define it half part of earth which lies towards north pole is called northern hemisphere. Is called northern HEMISPHERE is called northern hemisphere. Okay, so this is the definition of the northern hemisphere. Because in question what it has been given, in question it has been said that which star is found. So listen students, what I am saying. ये देखो एक लाइन है इधर, a star. See, this is a star. Okay, now what is the location of this is a star? Okay, this is a star, and what is the location of this star? The location of this star is the location of this star is, okay, you see the location of this star is, this is the location, this is the location, this is one star. Okay, this is the one star. Now what is the location? ये ठीक है. अब देखो ये स्टार का लोकेशन, मान लो ये एक स्टार है, इस स्टार का लोकेशन कहाँ पर है? जस्ट अबव द, इट इज जस्ट अबव द नॉर्थ पोल, इसके जस्ट ऊपर में है. ठीक है, कहाँ है? जस्ट अबव है. ठीक है, तो इससे, और इट अपीयर टू बी स्टैटिक, इसी के चलते ये स्टैटिक रहता है, ये ऐसा लगता है कि ये मूव नहीं कर रहा है. ठीक है, जिसके चलते लगता है ये सिर्फ नॉर्थ पोल के ऊपर है, ये स्टार रहता है नॉर्थ पोल के ऊपर, जिसके चलते हमें ऐसा लगता है कि ये स्टार स्टैटिक है, ये मूव नहीं करता है. नाउ हाउ इट इज बेनिफिशियल फॉर द ट्रैवलर्स? ट्रैवलर को ये पता चलता है कि नॉर्थ डायरेक्शन किधर है. ठीक है, नॉर्थ डायरेक्शन किधर है, और उधर ही वो लोग जाते हैं. ठीक है, इट हेल्प अस टू फाइंड द direction. I hope it is clear to you. Anybody of you have any problem? I will make you understand. If you have any problem, raise your hand. If you have any problem, raise your hands. Anybody? ये समझने में कोई प्रॉब्लम कि नॉर्थ हेमिस्फीयर किसको कहते हैं, नॉर्थ पोल किसको कहते हैं, साउथ पोल किसको कहते हैं, पोल स्टार कहाँ रहता है? समझ में आया? पोल स्टार कहाँ रहता है? नॉर्थ पोल के ऊपर में रहता है, ठीक है। अभी तो दिखाया ये कहाँ है, दिस इज इफ यू हैव एनी प्रॉब्लम प्लीज रेज योर हैंड, आई विल मेक यू क्लियर, सी, ओके। आई होप इट इज क्लियर टू यू ऑल। Anybody, any problem? So now take it down. Let's take it down, okay? Now we will take it down, okay? Priya Rani raised her hand. Wait 1 minute, Priya. Let me take you. Unmute yourself, Priya. Unmute yourself, Priya. Unmute yourself.
जो स्टार जो होता है वहाँ वो अपने जगह से हिलता नहीं है।
हाँ, वो अपने जगह पर फिक्स रहता है। वो स्टार जो है ना, जस्ट किसके ऊपर में है, वो पोल के ऊपर में है, इसलिए वो फिक्स जैसा लगता है, ठीक है।